Hello and welcome to another video from our Operators Platforms tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of our highly sought after features, which is cross-selling / suggestive selling. As you already know better than me, suggestive selling is one of the best ways that you can incentivize your users to purchase some additional products or add-ons or accessories to the products they have in their shopping cart or they want to order from you. Now, we have added this capability in our latest version 3.12.0, and the way that it works is you can go to the relation types management inside the products menu. So you would want to click on products and then click on relation types, and in the provided page you can now designate each of the different relations as having the cross-selling enabled or not. So for new ones, whenever you want to click on adding any relation type, you now have the ability to enable it as a cross-sold relation. Also, whenever you want to edit an existing one, you can also do so the same. Now I want to use the add-on relation that I had previously, and I just want to enable the cross-sale section here to mark this relation as suggestive selling. Now the way that this works is that we can proceed with utilizing the system the normal way, and whenever we come across a product and we add it to the shopping cart that had a bunch of other products designated as add-ons to the initial product, the suggestive selling would automatically work. Now to demonstrate that, the way that it works, I can select my test product for this instance inside my products list and then go to the relations tab at the very end, and inside this tab I can view the designated products as add-ons of this product, namely being these three products. I can add more or remove some of them, and after I've done so, whenever I want to add this product to a shopping cart, let's say for instance I want to do so using the lookup route. So I have selected the product to view its information. Now I want to designate select a customer for this page, and then in here I can now proceed with adding, let's say, 3 of these items inside their code. And as soon as I create a new code or add it to an existing code, the suggestive add-ons would automatically pop up and say, hey, we have these 3 products as suggested add-ons of the original Bisprint or the title product here. Do you want to proceed with this or not? For example, Biscuitex secondary test product or these 2 others. And now operators have the ability to select one or more, or even unselect some of the existing ones here, and they can also be viewed in 2 different formats based on their preferences. Now by clicking on this, these selections would automatically also be applied to the selected code, which we can open here and view it. Now that was a new code that had 3 of this product, 2 and also 3 of the other 2 products. Okay, there are many ways that you can add products within our system. I'm not going to go to it, that requires its own video, but just to name them, we have quick order that also can support and does support the suggestive selling. We have this section that would allow us to create or add products specific for this quote that also brings up the suggestive selling feature, and also lastly the shopping cart of the user that also does that for us. Namely, I also want to show you how it would look like on the client side of things. So using the same product, Biscuitex primary test product, if I add a bunch of them as a user here and I want to add them to my shopping cart, as soon as I click on it, this would automatically bring up the suggested add-ons dialog here, and the user can now select, okay, I want to have maybe 2 of these and 3 of these added in here as well, in which I can now click on my shopping cart and view it like this. Okay, I hope this feature provides you with the tools that you would need in order to best utilize our system and to also create incentives for your customers to shop their products, accessories, and other add-ons as you see fit. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope I catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.